Mangantayon. Hi everyone, another dish yung gagawin natin for today. So, recipe to ni birthday girl, which is, she is my cousin. So, Filipino style patatim. So, meron tayo ditong 4 kilos pata slice. You can use whole pata. And then, pineapple syrup or pineapple juice. Tomato paste, soy sauce, cooking oil for searing, sliced pinya in can, and then pork sabor, 3 sachet, black pepper around 2 teaspoon, then dark brown sugar, crushed garlic, and then quartered onion. Okay, I'm going to add in our cooking oil sa pinainit nating kawali. Okay, let's sear first our sliced pata. Okay, look, ganito dapat to. Sinisird natin yung pata para hindi madaling malasog. So pag napainit nyo po yung kawali, hindi siya dumidikit. O, tignan nyo. Pag mainit, kahit maliit lang yung mantika na nilagay nyo for searing, hindi didikit yung karne sa kawali kasi mainit na mainit po siya. Okay, once it's seared, ganyan na po siya. So yung mga dumikit sa kawali, wag nyo po yung aalisin kasi may lasa po siya. So i-deglaze natin siya using water. Our pineapple juice. So all in na po lahat ng ingredients. Brown sugar, aromatics, soy sauce. Then our pineapple slice, then tomato paste. You can use ketchup if you want for the patatim. So ganito po magluto sa farm. So kahit walang fancy na gamit, but masarap po magluto sa farm. Iba, saka sa firewood. So magdadagdag ako ng water, enough to cover po yung meat kasi sa kawali tayo nagluto. Baka kaysa masunog yung niluluto natin. So you can adjust the sweetness of your patatim. It's up to you. Okay, let's cover up hanggang lumambot yung ating patatim. Okay everyone, ito na yung ating patatim. So hope you like it.